Alex is good at math. Alex is good at math. Alex is good at math. He fell yesterday. He fell yesterday. He fell yesterday. I saw a bear. I saw a bear. I saw a bear. She got a candle today. She got a candle today. She got a candle today. I do not like math. I do not like math. I do not like math. I work all day. I work all day. I work all day. I am good at soccer. I am good at soccer. I am good at soccer. We went to the pool. We went to the pool. We went to the pool. When are we arriving? When are we arriving? When are we arriving? I like lions. I like lions. I like lions. His father left. His father left. His father left. We can watch TV. We can watch TV. We can watch TV. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today. Yellow is my favorite color. Yellow is my favorite color. Yellow is my favorite color. She will cook today. She will cook today. She will cook today. We left the zoo. We left the zoo. We left the zoo. Sam could not come today. Sam could not come today. Sam could not come today. Do you want some candy? Do you want some candy? Do you want some candy? The sun shines. The sun shines. The sun shines. The dog was barking. The dog was barking. The dog was barking. Emma is a math teacher. Emma is a math teacher. Emma is a math teacher. He's a basketball player. He's a basketball player. He's a basketball player. Parker isn't playing. Parker isn't playing. Parker isn't playing. We walk through the beach. We walk through the beach. We walk through the beach. My car is really fast. My car is really fast. My car is really fast. He was taking a shower. He was taking a shower. He was taking a shower. She took out the laundry. She took out the laundry. She took out the laundry. They enjoyed hiking. They enjoyed hiking. They enjoyed hiking. She opened the window. She opened the window. She opened the window. He has a red blanket. He has a red blanket. He has a red blanket. They need to go tomorrow. They need to go tomorrow. They need to go tomorrow. It will rain soon. It will rain soon. It will rain soon. I am chewing gum. I am chewing gum. I am chewing gum. He's moving to Detroit. He's moving to Detroit. He's moving to Detroit. I want to play football. I want to play football. I want to play football. My connection is slow today. My connection is slow today. My connection is slow today. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? When will she arrive? When will she arrive? When will she arrive? Wanna go to the library? Wanna go to the library? Wanna go to the library? I like ice cream. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. He likes the summer. He likes the summer. He likes the summer. She likes the color red. She likes the color red. She likes the color red. I am making coffee. I am making coffee. I am making coffee. They had 30 donuts. They had 30 donuts. They had 30 donuts. I can drive trucks. I can drive trucks. I can drive trucks. I can see your shadow. I can see your shadow. I can see your shadow. I have to take out the trash. I have to take out the trash. I have to take out the trash. They are running outside. They are running outside. They are running outside. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. She was washing the dishes. She was washing the dishes. She was washing the dishes. You are nice. You are nice. You are nice. We like video games. We like video games. We like video games. It's July right now. It's July right now. It's July right now. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. You have a nice car. You have a nice car. You have a nice car. We are going to Denver. We are going to Denver. We are going to Denver. I like to watch the waves. I like to watch the waves. I like to watch the waves. She doesn't like cars. She doesn't like cars. She doesn't like cars. The dog was chasing me. The dog was chasing me. The dog was chasing me. We made a video. We made a video. We made a video. He likes turtles. He likes turtles. He likes turtles. She goes to school. She goes to school. She goes to school. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? She likes to take photos. She likes to take photos. She likes to take photos. They went to the shop. They went to the shop. They went to the shop. When will he come back? When will he come back? When will he come back? The river is long. The river is long. The river is long. They like dancing. They like dancing. They like dancing. He has a flight. He has a flight. He has a flight. I was drinking water. I was drinking water. I was drinking water. I saw a giraffe. I saw a giraffe. I saw a giraffe. The cat is meowing. The cat is meowing. The cat is meowing.